Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Monroe Road Elementary School in Lambertville, Michigan, home of the Kicking Mules, part of the Bedford Public School District. Been here multiple times over the years, but today I had a brand new topic. The focus was on perseverance. The sub-theme was have a growth mindset. One of the slides from the assemblies today, it says don't quit, but it also says do it, right? And so the key principles I really tried to hone in on were and the phrases as well, was, to not give up, to try our hardest, to not quit. That sometimes if we just try one more time, if we give it one more shot, that's when we finally succeed, right? That a miracle could happen. And a concept I bring up in every assembly, because it's so important to me, is the fact that we are all true miracles, right? With the lines on our hands, I trace one of mine here, we all have the letter M, and that M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this, right? We have to believe it ourselves. We have to think positively ourselves, know how special each of us are. And once we do, now we can go and be that light to someone else's heart. And it's so critical, the person that we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. And we want to be telling ourselves something positive always, right? Building ourselves up, and believing this too. And so the idea is to be kind to our mind. Right? Whatever you tell your brain or heart, it's going to believe. And we definitely don't want to have it be something that's limiting or very negative in nature. We rather have it be something positive, right? And no matter what we're going to go through or have gone through or currently going through, we can always choose to maintain a positive approach, right? Like the shirt that I wear for this particular program, just like my positivity, be your best self presentation too. It says, keep your head up, and the words are upside down on purpose. Because if you're feeling sad, looking down, about ready to quit, it's a reminder to keep our head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. And, even if we make a mistake, that doesn't make us a mistake. Even if we fail, that doesn't make us a failure, right? That we keep going, we keep trying, we keep looking to not only ask for help if we need it and support for us, we try to help others as well. And that's what leaders do. That's what being our Bedford best is all about, right? That we talk about here in this community. And it also means that we go towards more of a growth mentality, right? Not a fixed mindset, but a growth mindset, right? Somebody that says, I may not be able to do this right now, but with time and effort, I can make it happen, right? If I don't know how to do it, I'll go ask someone, and get some assistance, get some support. Also, if it doesn't work this way around or this time around, I can always try in a different way, right? So we keep pushing, we keep trying each and every day, knowing that we don't always have to be the best, we just have to do our best, right? So again, beautiful morning with all the students here and staff, and can't wait to return again in 2026 for another visit this coming March. Until then though, keep being those amazing people that I know you can all be, and keep shining that light, keep persevering, keep trying to just improve each and every moment, each and every day, and never give up, never quit. Also, as always, you can feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.